factory. Every premium dried mango begins its journey long before it reaches the factory. Across the fertile orchards of Pakistan and India, before harvesting begins, every tool is inspected to ensure the fruit is collected safely without bruising its delicate skin. Only carefully selected ripe mangoes with excellent sweetness and texture qualify for premium dried mango production. Every mango is harvested with care because even small bruises can reduce export quality.
Within hours, thousands of kilograms of ripe mangoes are collected and prepared for sorting.
Initial grading removes unsuitable fruit before transportation to the processing facility. Proper handling during transportation helps preserve the fruit's quality before factory processing begins. The harvested mangoes are transported immediately to maintain maximum freshness before industrial processing. Every shipment is recorded before the fruit continues its journey to the processing factory. Each batch receives a unique identification number, ensuring complete traceability from orchard to finished export product. Every mango undergoes careful visual inspection to ensure only premium quality fruit enters the drying process. Automated grading systems classify every mango according to size, ensuring consistent drying and uniform product quality. Optical grading technology ensures only uniformly ripened mangoes continue toward processing. Human expertise remains essential to guarantee export quality standards. Every shipment is digitally tracked, providing complete traceability throughout production. Careful handling during loading helps preserve freshness before the factory processing stage. The carefully selected mangoes are transported directly to the processing facility to maintain their natural quality. This advanced facility transforms freshly harvested mangoes into premium export-quality dried fruit. Strict food safety procedures begin before the fruit even enters the processing plant. Once unloaded, the mangoes immediately enter the first stage of factory processing, where thorough cleaning prepares them for drying. Inside the processing plant, every mango enters a carefully controlled washing system. The first washing stage removes field dirt while protecting the fruit's delicate skin. Fine air bubbles clean areas that ordinary washing cannot easily reach. Pressurized spray systems ensure every mango receives a thorough and even wash. A carefully monitored sanitizing process enhances food safety before further processing. The final rinse leaves every mango clean and ready for inspection. Filtered air removes excess moisture without damaging the fruit. Advanced vision systems inspect every mango with remarkable precision. Automated sorting removes imperfect fruit, ensuring consistent export quality. After passing strict quality inspections, the finest mangoes are ready for the next stage, precision peeling. Precision peeling technology removes the skin while preserving the maximum amount of premium fruit. Experienced workers perform final trimming to ensure every mango meets export standards. Uniform slicing ensures every piece dries evenly during the dehydration process. Laser measurement systems verify that every slice meets exact production specifications. A carefully controlled pre-treatment helps preserve the mango's natural appearance throughout drying. Removing excess moisture prepares the slices for efficient drying. The drying hall is the heart of the factory, where fresh fruit is slowly transformed into premium dried mango. Carefully controlled hot air gradually removes moisture while preserving natural flavor and texture.
Precise temperature and humidity control ensure consistent dehydration without damaging the fruit.
Computer-controlled drying systems maintain ideal conditions throughout every stage of dehydration, ensuring premium export quality.
After carefully controlled dehydration, the mango slices emerge with concentrated sweetness and the perfect moisture level.
Every production batch is tested to ensure the ideal moisture level for long shelf life and premium quality. Texture testing confirms that every slice remains naturally soft and enjoyable to eat.
Advanced optical systems ensure every package contains uniformly colored premium dried mango slices. Comprehensive laboratory testing verifies that every batch meets international food safety requirements. A final metal detection system provides an additional layer of consumer safety before packaging. Precision weighing ensures every retail package contains the exact declared weight. Fully automated packaging systems maintain both speed and product hygiene. Nitrogen flushing helps preserve flavor, texture, and freshness during international shipping.
Every package is labeled and verified, ensuring complete traceability from orchard to supermarket shelf.
Individual retail pouches are carefully packed into export cartons, preparing them for international distribution. Each export carton receives detailed identification for complete supply chain traceability. Robotic palletizing improves speed, consistency, and workplace safety. Protective wrapping keeps every export shipment secure during long-distance transportation. Finished products remain in climate-controlled storage until international shipment is scheduled.
Every international shipment requires detailed documentation before leaving the factory.
Careful container loading protects the product throughout its international journey.
The premium dried mangoes now begin their overseas journey to customers in the United States. At the port, advanced logistics systems prepare every container for international shipping. After crossing thousands of kilometers of ocean, the premium dried mangoes finally arrive in the United States. Every imported food product must successfully pass strict inspection before entering the American market. Every imported food product must successfully pass strict inspection before entering the American market.
From here, the dried mangoes are distributed to retailers throughout the United States.
After an extraordinary production journey, the finished product reaches retail stores, ready for customers.
Carefully packaged dried mangoes are now ready for consumers to enjoy. For shoppers, this is a simple purchase, but behind every package lies an incredible journey.
Every slice delivers the natural sweetness of carefully selected mangoes harvested months earlier. From the orchards of Pakistan and India to homes across America, every step reflects precision, technology, and dedication. A simple fruit transformed through science, craftsmanship, and modern food processing technology. From sunlit orchards to advanced factories, across oceans to supermarket shelves, this is the